okay, so this g of y term is something that we have to get rid of. That's not going to fly for the final answer. So what we do now is we take the derivative of this function that we just got from integrating. So basically we're going back down a level. So take the derivative of that function with respect to the other variable, so with respect to y here, and you're going to now get a function that has the term g prime of y. And this function, since we just went all the way up to the top, so to speak, and that is the potential function, and took a derivative from that, this function that we're looking at right now is the partial of little f with respect to y. Now we already have another term equivalent to the partial of little f with respect to y, and that is the big Q term, in other words, the j hat component of the vector field function that we started with. So what you can do now is set that term as well as this term that we just got from integrating and then going back down by differentiating, set those two terms equal to each other and solve for what g prime of y is. Once you solve for g prime of y, you can simply integrate that to get what g of y is. So that's just going to give you something in terms of y, and this time you will have a plus c on it. So now that you have g of y, just insert that back into that original function that you got from the integrating that you did, and you then have the answer to what your potential function is. In other words, little f.